So after opening the box, it comes in this wrapping paper that the wrapping paper literally looks like a machine is being built. Let me show you. So I feel like it's Christmas. Christmas came early. It comes in like this carrier thing, which isn't closing right now, but it's cool. I like it. This is beautiful. Okay, white tooth comb, brush. So I personally have never used this type of brush on my hair, but I have definitely used this, the white tooth comb. Okay, now this, I'm praying my diffuser is in here because that's really, my clothes are done. Don't worry about it. That's what I've been waiting for. Oh, yes. All right, give me a second. Ta-da! And this is what I've been waiting for. All right, so this is their diffuser. Yeah, I still gotta look a couple of these up, but there's this. And then there is, oops. Oh yeah, it's like a pick while you're blow drying. So far they got my vote. Okay. And I remember them saying something about a flyaway or something like that. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to Google this one. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Dyson. I'm going to do a separate video on how I actually like the machine, is what they call it. It's a machine. So I bought it because I have a newborn and I needed a hairdryer that was going to be much quieter than the one that I have. So when I looked this up, it said that it was super quiet, handheld. I did not need to plug it in, which is super convenient having a newborn. So separate video coming soon to see if I actually like the machine.